All right, we recording. So what I was saying is I use the 1 hour for my trend. I don't go any higher than the 1 hour. Whatever's going on the 1 hour and down, that's where I trade. I never go higher than the 1 hour ever. So all you need is one pair to get rich. One pair, 10 to 20 pips, 10 to 20 pips a day. You can max that out to 1K, 2K, 3K, 10K, 50K, 40K. It doesn't matter. It's all about your lot sizes. The same 10 to 20 pips can make you 100K to 200K every single day. So that's what I'm focusing on. Going down on the 1 minute chart with the plan. I'm going to get more in detail. Going down to the 1 minute chart with the plan and then executing at least 10 pips every day. So I'm going to show y'all the exact trade I took this morning. And exactly what's my approach every day. So first thing first, you got to know what phase we are in on the 1 hour chart. When I say phase, you got to, and you can only see this zoomed out. That's why I tell people, zoom out, like look at the full picture, know what's going on with the market. So if you notice from here to here is 14 to 15 days. I already counted it. 14, 15 days. Every white line is a new day. These are called period separators. So 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, now 16. It's on a 16-day consolidation period. It's only 170 pip range. So to count your pips, you go and get this crossbar right here, this crosshair, and you go from the top to the bottom. Boom. Right now, it's in a 200 pip range right now. A 200 pip consolidation range for the past 14 days. Before that, the market was trending 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 days, 6 days, 7 day, 8 day, 9 day, 9 days up. And then before that, it's gonna let me move over. Then before that, 9 days up. Then after that, before that, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 days, 6 days, 7 day, 8 day, 9 day, 10 day, 11 day, another 11-day phase. So you have to notice, you have to realize, you have to be aware that the market moves in 10 to 14-day intervals, whether it's up, down, or sideways. So when you know what phase you're in, that's the plan you use to attack every single day. Now, you know, they say the London session is the most volatile session. They say, oh, London is the best time to trade. Yeah, that's cool, but London session doesn't trend. London session goes up and down every single day, up and down. It doesn't go 20 pips up, 20 pips down, 20 pips up, 20 pips down. Yes, that's volatile, but is it going anywhere? No. So I like to trade the New York session. If you ever notice, you've been up all day, all night, looking for a trade, all London. You didn't sleep trying to stay up for London looking for a trade. Nothing happens. You get faked out both ways because London just ranges. So then you go to sleep at 7, 5 in the morning thinking, damn, fuck London, fuck all this. And then next thing you know, New York session at 12 p.m., your pair done shot up 80 pips. Why? Because the market trends during the New York session. I'm going to show you all this. At the end of the day, that's when the market starts making this movement. At the end of the day, if it happens during London session, then it's not going to happen towards the end of the day. So let me go deep into that. So the first things first, you got to know the phases. You got to know the phases of the market. So right now, I'm going to always talk about this current price right now. So right now, we're in a consolidation period. Today, up and down. Yesterday, up and down. Yesterday, up. The day after that, down. The day before that, up. Half day down. Bounce off the 50 MA. So it's going up and down. It's not a clear, oh, every single day today, we're looking for buys. All day, we're looking for buy pullbacks. The next day. All day, we're looking for buy pullbacks. The next day. All day, we're looking for buy pullbacks. The next day. All day, we're looking for buy pullbacks. The next day. All day we're looking for buy. Like, that's the easy money, y'all. So when you be like, yo, I've been trading demo for 2 weeks and I'm killing it. Yeah, you was trading during the trend. Then you went live right here and you're wondering why EU ain't going nowhere. Because it's in a phase. It just did 9 days up, 11 days down. And then before that, can I get it over some more? Let me see. Dang, it's not letting me load nothing. EU, what's going on, man? Is it my internet? No. Oh, it's not letting me go back. But listen, before this down, it was a 10-day period again of the consolidation. So y'all, what I'm looking for next on EU is either a downtrend for 10 to 14 days or uptrend for 10 to 14 days. But the cool thing about this strategy is that it minimizes losses. So if it don't look good, if it don't look right, we're not trading it. So every single day, let's say, remember I said right here on the uptrend, every day you wake up, New York session between 8 in the morning, New York session, the best time to trade, the best time I trade, the only time I trade is 8 in the morning between 2 p.m. max. At 2 p.m., it's slowing down already, so you should be out. But I just say 2 p.m. because some days it can still pull back until 2 p.m., then 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m. new day. That's the end of the day. You don't want to be trading the end of the day. You don't want to be trading at the beginning of the day. The first 2 hours and the last 2 hours is the words. Don't even worry about it. So I only trade during New York session, 8 in the morning between 2 p.m. But the way the market moves during New York session, I'm done by 12. By 12, 1 p.m., I'm done. You feel me? You should be able to find 1 to 2 to 3 beautiful pullbacks, whether it's on the 1 minute, the 5 minute, or the 15 every single day during the New York session. So if you only focus on the trends every day, if you only focus on the market any other time of the day, I don't care. Bruce, what's going on? Bruce, what do you think of? I don't care. It's faking you out. Whatever it's doing, it's faking you out until London session. You want to ask me a question? Hit me up during London session. That's when I'm looking at stuff. If you hit me up at midnight asking me why is GJ not moving, I don't know, bro. You know what I'm saying? I can't answer you that. Hit me up during New York session. That's when the market is trending. So when it's trending, what has to happen? A pullback. Before a price makes a higher high, it has to pull back and then go up. Before it makes a higher high, it has to pull back, then go up. Before it makes the next higher high, it has to pull back, then go up. That's how a trend works. See right here, pull back, higher high. Pull back, higher high. Pull back, higher high. Pull back, higher high. Pullbacks, higher highs. That's a trend. That's what I need to see for me to look for easy all-day sales, all-day buy, no matter what. Now I'm gonna show you what to look for. So let me go into detail about the phases. So on the phases on the uptrend, you look for all buys. Phases on the downtrend, every day you open your chart at 8 in the morning, you see it. Okay, girl is still shooting down. Oh, bruh, still shooting down. Let's go. You're looking for all sales. Don't look for buys in a seller's market. Don't look for buys in a seller's market. Don't look for sells in a buyer's market. In this market, we can do whatever. You feel me? Because it's going up and down. In this market, you can go to the 1 minute and then take them either direction. I'm going to show you. So whenever the market is in a consolidation phase, like right now, I'm telling you, what's today? Wednesday or Tuesday? Today, Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, next week, EU. Based on statistics, based on history, you have to do something next week. It has to. So stuff like that makes traders successful. When you know stuff like this, you can look at any pair. Go to the 1 hour. You'll see that shit moves in phases. 10 to 14 days. Boom, boom, boom. I don't care if it moves I don't care if the pair moves in 2-day phases, 4-day phases. Whatever phase you're in, this is going to be how you attack it. When it's in an uptrend phase, you take all buy pullbacks on the lower time frame. On the downtrend phases, all sales. Cool. Now when it's consolidating, this is when you only open your charts at 8 in the morning and you attack what's exactly going on in the market. So literally day by day, if today, let's say we're in consolidation these past 10 days. So right here, there's no apparent down, there's no apparent up, there's no apparent down, there's no apparent up. This is when you have to work. This is the fun part. This crap is easy, y'all. This trend stuff, oh, automatic sell, automatic buy, automatic buy, automatic buy. That shit's easy. This is where the shit's come fun and challenging right here, where you open your charts. So let me give you an example. So 8 in the morning is my time Eastern, and that's the 15th hour on this GMT time, 24 hours a day time. So if it's 24 hours in a day, 1 hour chart, you go to mine is the 15th hour. You count it. I do it like this. That's how I learned it. 5 p.m., go to the next candle. 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m., midnight. 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning, 6 in the morning, 7 in the morning, 8 in the morning. Click 8 in the morning right here. All right. So 8 in the morning, that is the 15th hour. So now we're going to back test this, y'all. I'm going to show you what it looked like and my entries from today. I'm going to show you what it looks like every single day on a shitty market to go in and be able to attack the market and make you 10 to 15 to 20 pips and go to hell about your way. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy your day. It's not healthy to be staring at this shit all day. It's not. Your eyes are going to hurt. You're going to be stressed out. You're going to fucking lose money. Shit's real. You're not supposed to be staring at this stuff all day. You're supposed to go, talk for an hour or two, and get the hell out. Boom. Place your trades and go every single day. By noon o'clock. By noon, you should be done trading. Done. And not looking at it again until the next morning. Enjoy your freaking day. All right, so we're going to get into it. And I'm not looking at chats right now, so in a few minutes when I get a little free time, I'm going to go through the chats on the Q&A section. But yeah, am I making sense to everybody for now? I'm about to go deep into details now on what a pullback looks like and stuff. So every day right now, everybody asks me this. How do you put the lines? I have to do that manually. I go in manually. When the session starts, it's not going to pop up a line there. Okay. Hey, what's this? Hold on. Hey, who annotating on my chart? That's weird. How do I erase that? Man, I got a ghost or something. That's weird. All right. So I'm putting the 15th hour every day on the chart right now. So that's indicating us waking up at 8 in the morning and trading. 8 in the morning Eastern time, New York session starting. And you see, as soon as I put this line, that's when the market jukes. As soon as the market starts, as soon as the session starts, that's when the whole day like moves beautifully. All right, so here it is, y'all. So let me zoom in a little. All right. All right, all these horizontal lines are kind of confusing, so I'm going to try to get rid of them. Delete. I don't know what this is, so I'm going to delete. Boom, now we're cooking with hot grease. All right, see, look, y'all, I'm about to show y'all how we're going to make money in this shitty sideways market. Shitty. Damn, I see an uptrend. Me, I see uptrend because all of these candles are over a buyer's market. This little shit is nothing. This little shit is nothing. This little shit is nothing. Until the thing crosses over and shows me pullbacks, I'm looking for buys in this section right here. Okay? All this shit's nothing. Beautiful pullback right here. Nothing. Nothing. Show me a pattern. Nothing. So I'm in this shitty market right now in the past week. I've been looking at buys. buys on the lower time frame. New York session opened this morning. This is when I look for a sell this morning. So literally, this is the plan. This is the blueprint, y'all. This is literally how you fucking every single day open your charts and to make 10 to 20 pips. Get out. Boom. Done for today. Now that 10 to 20 pips is $10, $20, 20 to 40, 4K to 8K, 400 to 800, 40 to 80. I already said that. 400,000 to 800,000 every single day. What I'm about to show you. All right. Real simple. So stop focusing on catching this wick to fucking this wick. Who cares? I don't care about that. That's probably 100 pips, 120 pips probably. And that's 100 pips. But I can catch 10 pips right here and make it worth 50 in 30 minutes of my time while this guy's trading from damn 12 hours a day, 18 hours a day right here. He traded 16 hours a day, and I just made half of his check by trading these two candles. You feel me? Trading this one candle, trading for 15 minutes. So in a shitty market, you don't have nothing to go on. On the uptrend, you know it's all buys. On the downtrend, you know it's all sells. But in a shitty market, this is what we do. At 8 in the morning, we open our charts here at every line. So today, we open our charts. I look at what's going on the 1 hour, literally. And literally, whatever trend we are in right there, I follow it. Literally. So from here to here, I forgot how much it was like probably 1,500 in total. But from here to here this morning, I scalped euro-USD on a beautiful sale. I'm gonna post the entry later today. I got a picture of it. A beautiful sale this morning. Look, on a shitty day, I made 1,500 on a shitty day. Okay? So when this shit becomes cake on the trends, that's the easy money. So when you come in and learn how to catch 10 to 20 pips right here and get the hell out, this is when it's gonna be like, damn, okay, cool. This is easy now. You know what I'm saying? I can do this shit full time. So let's go down and see what's going on. So now we know I'm looking for a sell. Straight up, straight down. It's gonna go down at least to here. That's what I'm thinking. You know what I'm saying? Right here. It's showing me a strong sell trend. Don't go against the trend. The trend is your friend. So I'm looking for a sell. Until this shit tells me otherwise, I'm looking for sales. Okay? There's no reason for me to be looking for buys in a straight down. Okay? So this is the shitty market approach. Okay? Shitty market approach. You go all the way down to the 30. No data. Wait, right here. No data for me. I see on the 30-minute, I see it already crossed for a sale. We don't trade the crosses, but this is just how we attack every single day and go get some money. Go get some pips. I don't want to say money. Go get some pips. 15-minute chart. Keep going down. I want data. I want enough data to see pullbacks. Okay? Cool. That's not enough data for me. I see it crossed on the 15 now. I see it already crossed on the 30. I see it about to cross on the 1 hour. I'm looking for sales. For today on the shitty market, at 8 in the morning, nothing's going on. I know it's somewhere the market's about to go that I can profit on, so this is what we look for. Not enough data on the 15-minute. I need a pullback. I'm not entering nothing until it's at this 50 MA, okay? I'm only entering trades or looking for trades at this 50 MA, y'all. That's imperative. We're not looking for shit up here. Oh, it's got to come down. It does, but when? You don't know. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't messing with it. It might come down, boom, in reverse, 40 pips. And you'll be like, damn, you're right. Bruce was right. I shouldn't be selling in a fucking buyer's market, right? So only take trades back at the 50. If it crosses, who cares? You're good. If it crosses, who cares? You're good. But you only looking for pullbacks. That's it. Cross, then pullback. Cross, then pullback. All right? If it don't pull back, it's not a pullback. Y'all, if it don't pull back, it's not a pullback. This is the pullback. If it don't look like this and bounce immediately, it's not a pullback. If it don't bounce immediately, it's not a pullback. If it goes against you, it's not a pullback. If it goes against you, it's not a pullback. If it goes against you, let's say people do enter right here. This is not what I'm showing you, but I'm just giving you an example. People hit me up. This is the question right here. Bruce, I got in here. Fuck all this. It's news or something. I got in here thinking it was about to go back down for a sell. I was up a little money, but I was trying to take profit at the neckline right here at 18 pips, but it went against me. What should I do? Well, first of all, if it goes against you, it's not a pullback. Second of all, you should have stopped your trade right here. 2-3 pips negative. If it goes against you, bro, it's not a pullback. Pullbacks tap and go. Pullbacks tap and go. Pullbacks might ride the line, tap and go. Pullbacks don't cross. As soon as these candles cross right here, you're out. You should be out. Boom. It's not a pullback no more. Right here. Oh, it should be a pullback. No, MAs are too close. Boom. It crossed instantly. It's not a pullback whatsoever. Okay? Until it looks beautiful. So now these are the tricky pullbacks, the higher time frame. That's why we go down to the lower to see more data. More data, more candles. So I keep going down. I open my charts here. Okay? Open my charts here. It's not enough data. I see pullbacks, but it's not at the orange line, so I would have never entered. So what do? Keep going down. I know in my head I'm looking for sales. Until I see beautiful sales, I'm not entering. So we go down to a beautiful time frame, y'all. And what do we see? Where you go, little sale? Where are we at? Where the sell at? I think I caught it right here. I think it was from here to here. It's got to be. Caught it, and I wrote, yeah, boom, right here. Look at that, y'all. 19 pips. 19 pips. So we open our chart. Remember, we opened our chart here. We opened our chart here, 8 in the morning. In our head, we knew we needed a sell, right? So shit, honestly, if you open your charts and you're looking for a sell, I wouldn't enter here because it's not at the 50, but on some millionaire shit, put a small lot and just ride it. You already know it's going for a sell. And then when it pulls back, boom, you can enter a big lot. No stress. Even if you do enter here, let's say even if you do enter here, it's only 4 pips negative, 4 pip drawdown, then it finally goes your way. 6 pips right now. Then let's say you kept holding it, gave you another pullback opportunity, drop. Pullback opportunity, drop. And that's where I made my money, literally from this pullback. Patience, patience, patience. If it ain't sexy, I'm not getting it in. If it ain't sexy, I'm not getting in. If it ain't sexy, I'm not getting in. Straight up. So literally every single day, you got to have that plan. Okay, cool, I'm going to look for a buy. Okay, cool, I'm looking for all sales. All right. So, and I go down to the 1 minute because look, pull back here, pull back here, pull back here. And then what happened? What time was this? This was if the market, I can't talk. If New York session started at 15, this is only 2.5 hours into the session. So this is 8:30, no, 8, 9:30, 10:30. This is only 10:30 in the morning, okay? So now we go over, we're still on the 1 minute chart. We already scalped our 2 sales, 20 pips. We're done for today. I'm done for today. Something told me to look again. I checked EU. Beautiful. This is why, y'all, this is why I go both ways. In the consolidation phase, in a trend, you're crazy if you go in sales in an uptrend. You're crazy if you're going buys in a downtrend. Okay? So on the 1 minute chart, in the consolidation phase, in the 10-day to 14 consolidation phase, you can hit the 1 minute chart either freaking way in the New York session. But it's got to be beautiful. If it ain't beautiful, we're not trading it. Look at this, y'all. Crossover. Come down. Listen. Be patient. Be patient. Come up. Be patient. Now it taps. See that? Now it taps. Now it taps. Remember, we're not trading until it gets to the orange 50. Okay, cool. Pullback. I mean, cool. Buyer's market crossover. Pullback. Let's just look at it. Like right now, we go up to the 1 hour. Let's see what's going on. what just happened? So let's put a line right here. Like one chart, I mean one pair, all charts know what's going on, but execute on the lower time frame for the best entry. That's what I do. So if I'm trading this session still, I would still be like, yo, cool. Now it's showing me buy, so I would go up to the 1 hour just to see what's popping. So I put a line right where it's starting to go up. Okay, cool. I see that this shit kind of oversold. It could go up. It's in a consolidation. This shit going up and down, up and down. It's in a range. Earlier it went down, came up, went down, kind of supporting resistance right here. Boom. So shit. I'm taking that buy. Flip over to the 1 minute chart. Flip over to the 1 minute chart. Damn, where are all these colors and stuff? I flipped over to the 1 minute chart, and you can take this one buy. I'll be done for the day. One buy, boom. Gives you another chance right here, boom, or right here, boom. I take it at the neckline, take profit. All right, this is the ratio. Where do I close my trade at? Where do I take profit? On a pullback, on a beautiful entry, where do I take profit? All right, so this is the answer to your question. Let me give you these examples. These are more prettier. These are more prettier. All right, so something like this. Let me see. All right, here we go. So, one sec. All right, can you hear me? So what was I saying? So this is the theory on taking profit on the neckline. Bruce, when do I get out? All right, so the session open here. Give you a pullback right here. Cool. So on a strong trend, the ratio is 1 to 2. So from entry, you can take profit. Let's say you always listen. The entry on the pullback is at the 50 MA, the 50 orange MA right here. That's where you want to get the closest entry on a pullback. If you enter here, you subject to all this drawdown. You subject to 3 pips drawdown. You want to get to the closest as the 50 on the entry as you can. The candles are there. The MAs are not. It's a seller's market. All these are pullbacks. I'm right here, pullback. So this is the answer. A pullback is literally where the market stops and reverses. So you see it coming down. On this dime, it turned around, came back, pulled back, boom. So that's where we enter. We enter here. Our first take profit is at the neckline, y'all. The neckline. The neckline is exactly where it came from. So from here to here is a millionaire trade. Call these millionaire trades, bro. In and out. I don't care what's going on. I'm in. No drawdown. No negative. Boom. Clicks right here. My take profit is set. This candle knocks me out. Bloop. I'm out. Five pips just made me 500. Just made me 1,500. You know what I'm saying? Big lots. I don't care. 5 to 10 pips is all you need, people. Focus on that and multiply that shit. You know what I'm saying? You don't want 100,000 pennies. You want 4 little pieces of gold. You know what I'm saying? You want 4 little small pieces of gold. So get 4 pieces of gold worth way more than 100 million pennies or whatever. So the theory is right here. Take profit 1 is at the neckline. Take profit 2 only during the trend. Like on the during EU on the 1 hour chart when that shit was just butter for a whole 14 days up, then butter for 11 days down. When you in a strong trend, that's when you can start take profit 2. But when it's in like consolidation and shit, I take profit 1. I want to know for a fact that I'm gonna close this trade with profits. I want to guarantee myself 5 pips versus I might get 10 pips. I won't guarantee 5 every day for the rest of my life. You feel me? And I can make that 5 pips worth 5 million every single day on 5 pips. So the ratio is right here. Take profit 1, take profit 2, 10 pips. So take profit 1 is at 5, take profit 2 is at 10. Okay. Same shit. New pullback entry. Take profit 1 is at the neckline. Take profit 2 is at 16. Right here. So 17 with a spread. With 1 pip spread. Easy money. I'm telling y'all, look. 9 pips right here. I'm out. I'm done. Second trade, well, first trade, 6 pips, I'm out. I don't care, y'all. I'm out. 6 pips, I'm out. I don't care what's going on in the market. Next thing you know, the market gives me another opportunity. I take it, click, sell it, get the fuck out. Close my laptop. I'm done. Close my computer. Close my phone. Don't look at no charts. I don't care who sends you a chart. I don't care who sends you a signal. Do that shit. Execute that shit every single day and get the hell out. Straight up. Straight up. Straight up. Straight up. Straight up. Straight up. Now, as far as the stochastic, y'all probably might have questions about the stochastic. Now, the stochastic's not like the bread and butter of this whole setup. The stochastic's not the whole bread and butter of this setup. The MAs and shit isn't the whole bread and butter of this setup. The pullbacks are. The pullbacks is simple, easy money. But the now what's making you money is the plan, y'all, your trading plan. You know every single day I'm gonna look for a sell. Boom, I'm gonna open my chart. I'm gonna look for when it starts shooting down, I'm looking for sales. Stochastic's oversold. I'm not using the stochastic as bread and butter. I only use it for confirmation, like an extra confirmation. So I'm looking for pullbacks. I see a pullback forming, then I go check the stochastic to confirm it. It can still pull back, but it's only best and the strongest when the stochastics are oversold. I'm not saying don't take a pullback because it's not at fucking 80 up here. Take it all day. This is the bread and butter. This is just extra cool. If it's down here, that's when you can be a little iffy about it. You be like, damn, it's already oversold and you want me to sell it again? No, I'll wait till it comes to 50. Showing me oversold, then I can drop 10 lots. Right here, I'll drop a little standard. 1 standard click on some low risk stuff and then ride it. Cool, I was right. Cool, I knew it, following the trend. But now up here, I'm dropping 10 lots because I know for a fact. Pull back to 50, 1 minute chart. I'm looking for sales on the 1 hour chart. All day execute. Click. Take profit 1. I'm out. Let me see how many pips that is. Y'all, listen, this is only like 10 minutes of trading. 20 minutes of trading. 1 hour of trading, you out. 4 or 5 pips right there. Stack that shit every single day for the next 30 days and see where your account's at. Fucking crazy. I'm telling y'all. Remember, this is exactly what I was doing when I did 500 to 5100 and then 7200 that next 2 days. So yeah, it's lit. So listen, y'all, from the entry, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute, 6 minute, 7 minute, 8 minute, 9 minute, 10 minute, 11 minute. Y'all, in 11 minutes, you just made a couple thousand. In 11 minutes, you just made 100. In 11 minutes, you just made a couple hundred. In 11 minutes, you just made a couple thousand. In 11 minutes, you just made a couple 10,000. This is the power of this shit. Don't sleep on it. See, and listen, all these little pips I'm showing you, that's on the 1 minute chart on EU. So that's the lowest volatile pair. These same fucking setups happen on any other pair. So just pick one and fucking know what's going on. Know that it's phases that it's got to go through, up, down, and sideways on the 1 hour chart. Then you go down and execute based on the fucking phase you're in. You feel me? So what we're looking for now is fucking EU to jump out of these phases. Jump out of this consolidation phase, either down or up. Either way, we're going to know because it's going to be making higher highs and lower lows easily, like on the 1 hour chart, like right here. Crossover, pull back, tap. Yeah. So crossover, pull back, tap, come back, tap. That's what we want, but it didn't do it. So it's not a fucking trend. It's not a trend. We're in a consolidation, so I knew it was going to cross. Then when it comes back up, don't pull back. It's going to cross. It's going to cross. Back over here. No, one pullback because we're in a buyer's market. Pull back. I ate that yesterday. Pull back right here, cross, because we're in a consolidation. Cross again, new day cross, all these crosses. There's no apparent trend. So I'm telling y'all, when this shit starts moving, when EU starts moving, it'll look like this. It'll break out, pull back, break out, pull back. Let me show you. Let me give you an examples instead of just saying it, right? On a downtrend, it'll cross, pull back, cross every day. Pull back, cross, even right here, pull back. I mean, yeah, pull, wait. Yeah, pull back. Am I saying it right? Pull back and then drop right here. Yeah, all day on the downtrend. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-day phase. The New York session right here juked it up for a buy. Then it started that consolidation crap where it goes up, then crosses, then goes up, then pulls back, then goes up, then crosses, then, you know what I'm saying? Crap. So when it's in a strong trend, it'll look like this, butter. It'll pull up, pull back, pull up, pull back. So if it don't pull back on the 1 hour, that means it pulled back probably on the 30. If it didn't pull back on the 30, it probably pulled back on the 15. If it didn't pull back on the 15, it probably pulled back on the 5, click, and it reversed all day. But on the 1 hour chart, it's going to be smooth too. Cross, pull back, shoot up, pull back, shoot up, pull back. See, now the people that trade the 1 hour chart, it's going to take you 2 or 3 days before you get a new setup because we're only trading at the 50. So that's why we go down to the lower to execute on the lower time frames, because those have setups for pullbacks every single day, no matter what's going on. So right here, New York session open. So we're looking for all buys, easy. Pull back 1 minute, take off. Pull back 1 minute, take off. Pull back 1 minute, take off all day. Next day, New York session open. We're looking for all buys, pull back, buy, take off. Pull back, buy, take off. Pull back, buy, take off. We're done for today. New day in the uptrend. New York session started. We look for all buys. Boom. After that, we're done. If it ain't a buy, we're not fucking trading it. And then new day is shit. We're in a shit market right now. So we start going in to New York session. New York session probably happened here. Next candle, we see in the downtrend. So you go down to the 1 minute to scalp. You go on the shitty market, you go down to the 1 minute to scalp. Either direction, the market opens at 8 in the morning. Straight up. And if it's not bread and butter up and down, you go and scalp the 1 minute chart for 10 to 20 pips. Desperate shit. Fucking whatever's there, you know what I'm saying? Whatever the market shows you, like today, the market opened at 8 in the morning showing me down. I made all my money down. Fucked around and it went around. I made a little money up, and then I was out on that 1 minute chart. Out, done. By 12 p.m., done. So I'm gonna look at, that's kind of it, y'all. That's damn near it. That's literally what you should think of when it's stochastics. I don't really use it no more when it comes to, because I used to enter the crosses, y'all. Enter the crosses, cross. That's not good. There's no profit there. So I was like, fuck it. If it goes up, it's gonna cross and then pull back, then go up, then pull back, then go up. If it's gonna cross, it's only gonna cross once and then over and over in the range. So we don't want that. So that's where I came up with the pullback shit. Okay. Now remember, the trend has to pull back. So pullbacks will never go away. All right. So I'm gonna give y'all a few minutes to ask me questions. I'm gonna check out the chat right now. And we go from there. All right. So does that make sense? Does that make sense? Kind of, does that give y'all a clearer approach? Let me know. All right, let me check out this chat. Can you execute a live trade? No, bro, I don't trade right now. What leverage I'm using? I'm using 1,000 to 2,000 leverage, big as hell. Because I know what I'm doing, no draw. It really doesn't matter what leverage you, I'm sorry. Have high leverage, but you don't have to use it. High leverage means I can open a standard with a $60 account, but I can also open a 1 cent lot. You can have high leverage, doesn't mean you have to use it. You feel me? So let me answer these questions. Scroll up a little bit. I hear him, the money team. Yep, you've been consolidating. How do I turn off these join left? I don't know. New York session. No, I have. So I probably answered half of these questions. He said, dude, so rich, he doesn't know the days. How about news? Is this recorded? Yeah, it's recorded. Should we enter in during the pullback? You enter after pullback. I guess because it's above more. All right, hold on. Y'all was just talking. Let me go down. If y'all got questions, post them now. Shit, I'm not going back. Can you go over the 5-minute striper method? I just went over that. It's the same thing, bro. Just do what I just said. Yo, mention something about mindset and trading plan. Can you scalp the 1-minute chart even in a trending market? Yes. Do I use TradingView? No. I'm posting this in the group. Yes. How can we tell if it's gonna cross or do a pullback? Okay. I can answer that. How can you tell it's gonna cross or do a pullback? Bro, the candles will tell you straight up. Now, it's gotta be in the trend, bro. It's all right. If it's in like bullshit market, expect it to cross. Bullshit right here, 1-minute chart, expect it to cross. Only you looking for pullbacks when it's trending like cross. Like literally, bro. Only thing that'll tell you if it's gonna cross or not is patience. If you wait 1 minute, it'll either go through it. If you wait another minute, it'll either bounce and go up the way you thought, or it'll cross. That's it right here. Patience. How do you know if it's not gonna cross? Patience. Patience. Boom. Patience. Boom. Patience. Boom. 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 Patience. Patience. All right, shit. This shit not going down. I'm gonna get in. Click. You get in, it goes up, it comes down, bounces again. You get in, click. If it don't cross, it won't cross. If it don't cross, it won't cross. Soon as it crosses, it's gonna cross, bro. Soon as it crosses, it's gonna cross. If it don't want to cross, it's not gonna cross. You know, some millionaire shit. It's not no pips here, but like on the big time frames, this is millionaire shit. Every time it goes back up to this 50, click, sell. Every time it goes back up to this 50, click, sell. Every time it goes back up to this 50 and it don't cross, you sell it. As soon as it fucking crosses, bro, MAs are up. MAs aren't up. MAs aren't up. MAs aren't up. MAs aren't up. As soon as it crosses, the MAs are up. Literally, bro. And this is just the 1-minute time frame. So I'm just giving you an example of why the market crosses and why the market pulls back. Like this is the fucking ugly pullback right here. It's the 4 p.m. You don't trade now, as you can see. But this is technically a pullback. It won't go far because it's fucking 4 p.m. But this is technically a pullback, bro. Cross, not here. Boom, right here. We're looking at hot grease. Pullback. Oh, is it a pullback? Are you sure, Bruce? Let's check the stochastic. Stochastic oversold. It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. So fuck yeah, we get in. But of course, you should have watched it up here. You had 3 minutes to get in. This minute, and this minute. You click, you would be in a pip profit right now. 1 pip profit. Spread is a little high because it's the end of the day. That's a pullback, bro. Pullback, cross, pullback. You'll fucking know. You'll know easily. Bro, somebody's doing this shit. Look. Hey, this shit's tripping me out. Yo, this is weird. Clear all drawings. Hey, dope. All right, let me go back to the chat. Can you scale? Let me see. Okay, I see. You posting this in the group? Yeah. Are you still gonna have a big party for all your students? Yeah. How can we tell if it's gonna cross the dope? How can I determine trend reversals on a higher time frame? You can't, bro, but just know that the 1-hour chart, any chart goes back to 50. So whatever stretches out to 50, whatever stretches out far, like 100 pips from 50 on the 1-hour chart, it has to go back to 50. And when it goes back to 50, that's when it'll cross back over for a buy. Then pull back on the buy side, then go up. That's a trend change. That's a trend reversal, trend change. So you don't use the lower MA, just the 50. What? The 3 and the 6, Dwayne? So you don't use the lower MA. See, look, this is why you don't trade 4 p.m. It's shitty. This little pullback went for half a pip and then reversed. Shitty, don't trade it. So you don't use the lower MA, just the 50. No, I use the 50. The 50 is just like bread and butter. 50, 50, 50. Everything bounces and breaks and makes its next move off the 50. The 3 and the 6 are just to determine if the price is really at the 50 or it's just pulling back, giving you fake price. Victoria, yes, sir. That's dope. I'm glad you get it now. Sheena, I see. Okay. I entered this. I entered this one because of this video. You entered what? The sell? I didn't want you to enter that, bro. Are you still going to have a big party? Yeah, don't worry about the high impact news. All right, now those news damn near moves the market, but on the 1 minute chart, that shit can go against you for a few pips, 10 to 20, 40 to 100 this morning I saw. So as far, honestly, I don't watch the news at all. Whatever happens, happens, but nothing, I've never like been spiked the hell out of a trade. It's crazy, but I do recommend being aware of news. Yeah, check it when the New York session. Check it if it's no news today. You're good. If it's like EU news or something or USD news, wait till after the news goes, and then if it's like a strong spike, news always reverses. So when news goes for a strong spike in the New York session, just scalp that shit the other way. Easy money. All right, everybody, go look at GPB NZD this morning. Go look at GPB NZD. Write notes. Don't do it now. I want you to focus. But write notes or alarm, and when we get off, to go look at GPB NZD 1 minute chart. It was big news this morning, and it shot down 120 pips, 110 pips, 100 and something pips, right? And literally that next 40-minute or 30-minute time after that 1 minute news, it shot back up those 100 pips. So if you knew news was coming out and you was watching that pair, boom, you don't trade it. Wait for news to come out, then you ride that thing up. All right? All money. Even on the market, when the market opens, those market gaps got to be closed. Damn, like, got to be. If it gaps more than 20 pips, ride that shit opposite easy. Okay, thanks. Can we talk about numbers entering in the trade and counting the pips? Yeah. About what time is news? News comes out anytime. To check news, y'all, give me some help. To check news, I know it's myfxbook.com if I'm not mistaken. And I know there's Forex Factory. So forexfactory.com. Okay. Which time frame? GN has some good pullbacks. Kelsey, I'm talking about GN on the 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame. It was a big 100 pip drop, and it shot right back up after the news. Meaning, if you follow one pair and news happens and you see a big ass candle of news, it has to come back. Then it'll go back into the market structure. And yes, GN has some good pullbacks because it's the most volatile pair, Forex pair. That's why it has like a big spread, 3 to 4 or 5 pip spread depending on the broker. So the higher the spread, the more volatile the pair. When I say volatile, I mean EU right here, from here to here might be 2 pips, almost 3 pips. But on GN, this might be 11 pips right here. Okay? So when I say volatile, I mean that. 3 pips, same distance is 11 pips on another pair, but you have to pay spread. So take 3, then you take 8 type shit. So, yeah. All right, count pips. I just did it. Count pips. I do not use these numbers, y'all. I do not do this shit manually. I don't care about that. I'm not doing that. I'm not a math whiz. I'm not adding shit. I'm not using my calculator. I'm using this crosshair. Now, you can get the crosshair on your laptop right here. Crosshair. Then you go to your phone on your charts. On the top of your charts page on your phone, click the objects button. Click objects, and then you'll see an arrow. Click that arrow, and then it's going to give you a dot. You click it anywhere on your screen, and then you can drag it to count the pips. it'll look like this. So let's say we want to count how big this move is. From here, you go where you want to start. You click and then drag. Click and drag. Click and drag. I can't point to it, but you see that number 33 in the middle? There's a number 33 in the middle. That's it. That is displayed in ticks. So ticks. So 33 ticks is 3 pips. Okay? So you pretty much just take the last number off. That's what I do. I take the last number off. 3 pips. So over here is 3 pips. Down here is 2 pips. I can't really give you a, hold on, let me go to a 30-minute or something. So 30-minute from, this is how you count pips. You get your crosshair, you go to where you want to start, and you drag it. You click your mouse, hold it. I'm clicking my mouse and holding it. Then I drag with my finger. Drag, drag, drag. There's 23. All you do is take the last number off. 24. Down here, you see 845. Take the last number off. That's 84 pips. Okay. So boom, boom, boom. That's that. Counting pips. Don't use the numbers. I seen somebody say something about taxes. As far as filing your taxes for traders and shit, it's just like being a business owner. You file a 1099 and you pay taxes around 40% based on 30 to 40% based on what's it called? On your capital gains. So you only get taxed on what you withdraw. I think like over 5K or over 500 or something for the year. That's when you start getting taxed. But if you're not making over 500 in a year, then you're not getting taxed type shit. Or your broker might not report, but all brokers gonna fucking report. All right. Any more questions? Any more questions? Do I trade the news? No. Live trading session. You never know. Should I leave LMFX to go to AAFX? Yeah. Minimum monthly. Don't know what you're talking about. The withdrawals in India after a few minutes. I still think it's illegal to trade foreign cross currency pairs. Well, that sucks. In India. AAFX, but I sincerely do not care. Live trading session would be amazing. What we open up an LLC? No, bro, you just gotta file your gains. You don't have to. No, you don't need an LLC, bro. If that's all the questions, I'm finna wrap it up, yo. Does this make sense? Did y'all feel a little bit more comfortable now? If y'all feel more comfortable, let me know. Comment yes or something. Did this help? Did this help? Yeah, you should put aside 30%, whatever you withdraw for taxes, or you can report every 4 months, quarterly, or you can what's it called? Just pay like a month. What's it called? Monthly. You can settlement that shit out. Not settlement, but all right, bro. All right, you owe 40K, Bruce. I don't have it. Cool. We'll put you on a monthly payment for the next like few years, whatever. That's all that shit. Right? They're not gonna fucking come arrest you because you didn't type shit. Oh, you're 4 days late on filing. We're coming to knock at your door. They don't give a damn, bro. I mean, they don't give a damn yet. You know what I'm saying? A year or 2 or 3, you ain't paid. All right, bro. Now we looking for you. What's good? So, good stuff. Awesome. Yeah. Live trades. How do we deposit into AAFX? Inbox me, but I deposit via Bitcoin. Do live trading. Once a month trading would be nice. I usually use NetTeller, Skrill. I'm gonna watch the video to get proper notes, then I'm good. Yes, sir. How was your today trading result? I went over that earlier. I made like 1,500. Well, a little over 1,500 because of that last EU trade. Can you talk about stacking trades, please? Same shit. 1 minute chart. If you know what you're doing, get in 5 times. Shit, get in 3 times. 1 minute chart. You know what the hell going on. It's your trading plan. It's your EU. It's your pair. You know what the hell. It has to go down. When Bruce said it, when it bounces off here, it has to go up. You get the hell in. You stack it. Instead of getting in once, you get in 3 times. Click, click, click. But now you got to be ready for that triple loss too if shit happens. You know what I'm saying? So focus on consistently catching these trades every day. Then on a beautiful butter train, you know for a fact, that's when you can stack it up. 20 lots, 30 lots, 40 lots, 50 lots. All right, that's a lot of lots. Y'all, but no, the most I did recently, y'all, was like, fuck. Well, I just had 7. I just posted 7. I had like, back when I was doing 500 to 50, 100, I was going crazy with it, y'all. I mean, every time it pulled back again, I'm entering another 5, 10. I was at 22, 20, 21 or 19 standards. All in total, it was like a 2, then a 5, then it pulled back again. I'm like, all right, bitch, you're going to get a 6. Gave her a 6, and then a 2. Gave her a 2, and then at one point I was at like 19 standard, and I got out like 6 pips, like me, like right. So like 19 was at 190 times 6. Get out, you good. You know what I'm saying? Let's do the math on that. So I was flipping that account, just like you just said, stacking trades. That's it. 190 times, what I said, like 6 pips. 190 a pip, 19 standards is 1,106 pips. So you feel me? And you can do that with AFX. You can open up 10 standards with a $600 account. So all you need is $1,200 to make $1,200 your first trade. You feel me? So that's the benefit of leverage. You know what the hell you're doing. You can put in whatever the hell you want and put in whatever lot size the hell you want because you know for a fact you're going to profit every single day with this shit I just showed you. And then I'm going to freshen y'all up. So when we start getting into trends and shit, like, I'm going to do this more often. So, all right. So let's get into it. I'm going to check the chat one more time before I go. Yeah, this is recording. I'm going to post it. That's sweet. Jeez, what's sweet? A lot of sweet stuff being shared here. Golden nuggets. Yeah, get you some honey mustard, man. We got golden nuggets spitting on this webinar. You don't send signals to Telegram. No, I paused signals to focus on my personal trading and y'all's personal trading. Forex Peace Army said that AAFX isn't reliable. They've been paying me loyally, so I'm not worried about that. If you don't want to use them, don't use them. I use them, and I have no problems. Okay? And that was also a year or 2 ago, bro. So everything on the internet can be old. Everything on the internet can't be true. Everything on the internet, you know what I'm saying, can be true. Mindset, bro, what you want me to say? Like, what you want me to say about mindset? Favorite pairs, EU, bro, pick one. Please talk about mindset, bro. You know the mindset. You get the hell up and you do this shit every day. That's it. You know if a trade goes against you, cut it. If you get in a trade here and it goes against you, get the hell out. That's it. Mindset. If a trade fucking comes down here and peaks and then comes back by the end of the hour, then you're good. But if you get in and the trade just bleeding, bro, bleeding. What the hell you still in it for? It ain't no mindset. It's just get out. You know what I'm saying? Just know what's going on. That shit, all that mindset shit. Come on, man. You got to get in, get up, and just attack that shit every single day. Straight up. Easy money. All right. So, look, don't trade. At the end of the day, it's shit. Nothing's going on. Nothing's going on. Shit's going on. This is our pullback from earlier. I said, blew your account. Whoever put that sell in blew your account. No, I'm just kidding. But don't trade at the end of the day. I don't care how it looks. That's beautiful. I don't care how it looks. Don't get in. All right, chat. Then we're going to slide out. Golden Nuggets, thank you. Please talk about mindset. What, Demetrius? Any specific broker? Broker, bro? Go to aafxbroker.com. Thanks again, Bruce. You're welcome. Are you self-taught? Yeah, I'm self-taught. Fucking YouTube. Not even YouTube. YouTube, I didn't learn shit. Except for maybe like, what is a candlestick? What is a doji type shit? But I'm self-taught, bro. Demo account and losing my own money taught me this shit. Best days of the week to trade. Every day that ends with day is the good day to trade. All right. Every day pulls back. Every day pulls back. Yo, somebody is doing this. Trade with Bruce. That's trippy. Hey, I'm about to end this because y'all getting crazy. Clear all drawings. Yo, that's weird. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna wrap this up. If you're watching this video on a replay, comment pips when I post this. Yo, what the hell? All right, I'm getting off this shit. This shit's tripping me out. Yo, hell no. All right, y'all. I'm out. Peace. Yo, all right, get me off of this shit. All right, y'all. I'm out. They doing some weird shit.